Hey friends, welcome to the unboxing of the Zeiss 24-inch clock. It's a work clock. It's made out of bronze. It's actually has moving gears. I want something that has a little visual management, makes it look nice. And sometimes, it's nice to watch a clock that has a moving gear. So let's get to it, open it. It's, I believe it's made out of real metals. It requires double A batteries. And I got it off Amazon, and it's pretty large, 24-inch, so it pretty much is like kind of your centerpiece here. Let me put this down here. It's got a lot of foam, so it's nice. Again, foam, gotta be careful with because it can get messy, right, when you open foam. So I'm gonna try to slide this out here. And this is a World Map bronze gold gear, and you can get in a different color. I believe there's gray, there's other side, but this was more of my style color. Be careful here, I don't want to break anything, right? I believe it's real glass, so you can see here it's really nice, nicely packed with a lot of insulation so that it doesn't get damaged here. And look at this thing. Look how large this thing is. We cut this here. You can see it even came with extra dowel, I believe, or extra. You can see there, extra dowels that came in with it. And then let's take it out. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. Look how big that is. And you can see the gear perfectly, the World Map. But yeah, it came with extra gears, dowel, so that you can change out the colors if you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off here because you don't want to bend these, right? And put this here. Are you ready for this? Let's open it here, or take it off the sleeve. Wow, look at that. How gorgeous that is. And again, it's real glass, real metal. And you put the battery, you can see there's two batteries. You got the AA, and one's for the dial, and one's for the gear. But yeah, it's heavy duty, and we recommend if you put this up on the wall, you would have to use some stud because it is heavy. It's probably about almost 8-10 pounds. So I recommend doing that. But yeah, let me go grab some batteries, and then we can get this going for you guys to see how it works and everything, okay? Once you put the battery in, you see how it rotates. Let me move over here so you guys can see it better. It's really quiet. It has a small sound, soothing sound to it. But you can see here, it's very relaxing just watching it, listening to it. Again, let me show up close here, you guys can see. There you go, that's better for you guys. You see, it's a World Map. Again, I require putting a stud finder in your wall to put it up. To change the handle needle, the clock needle, you just got to pop these out here. Pop these out and then swap it out. The quality of this, it looks really nice. A little small dent here, but not too bad. You're not gonna see it's on the side. The handle is kind of bent, but again, you can take that out and then just straighten it. On that, I recommend it. It's a nice clock. It's on Amazon for about $150. You can find sometime on sale a little bit cheaper. But yeah, it's just overall, something nice to have. But yeah, I just want to do a quick review for you guys because it's one of those items I think it's gonna, bring a little bit mental health to you because it's kind of soothing and relaxing to have a clock and keep track of everything in your life, right? Your busy life. And now guys, take care until next unboxing review. And you just pop these off here to take out the, see that, just pop that off, it comes right off like that. And you change out your needle. It's a pretty simple design. Then I'm going to try to straighten that needle out. It came bent a little bit. I'm not going to change out the needle. Take all this out here. Okay guys, to put this back on here, I'm going to show you here. You just gotta put this part in first, and then spread out the two tips, the two ends. Okay, yeah, put this in first, spread out the two ends, and then once you put it on there, just get them all on there. See that they go against that. So, and I did clean the glass a little bit too and adjust the needle. And voila, I guess this worked with one battery too, so it's nice, very nice here. And there's the clock on the wall, guys. One thing I learned is that I want to share with you guys is when you put this dial on here, it's very sensitive. So if you don't put it on correctly, it's not gonna stay on there and align correctly. Meaning, like the longer needle is actually gonna run into the smaller needle. So you wanna make sure you get that correctly on there. Because once you don't get that on there, I was struggling because I didn't get it on there correctly, and it was kind of hitting each other and then it would stop. So that's the one thing I recommend when you put that on there. Other than that, the clock is very, very nice. As you can see, makes the office very, very relaxing. And as for the noise, it's very soothing, but sometimes you can hear it click a little bit. So if you're kind of like sensitive with noise, I would recommend moving that away from where you kind of work or whatever. But other than that, it's a very relaxing clock.